Hi, World Geography. I'm home because my little guy is sick today. Um, so, whoever has daily current events, go do that now, please. Pause here. Okay, now that you've done that, make sure you all have a sheet from the today's basket. And that says, I think it says Modern Human Migrations at the top. I forget if that's the exact title I put. This will be a sheet that you're going to use throughout class today. So today you'll do a series of readings about different migrations over time. And each of you individually will read and take notes on one of those readings on the side counter. If you're assigned to the Boat People reading, you're going to need a Chromebook, and the article is posted on Google Classroom. I couldn't get it to print a couple weeks ago, and then I couldn't get it to print again on Friday, so Chromebooks it is. So for our substitute teacher, I'm going to ask you to divide the students into 5 groups by counting off by 5s and write the numbers of each group on the sideboard above the articles' titles. And you'll collect these articles back when the students are finished. And everybody, please return the articles to the side counter when you're done with the articles. All right, I'm going to have you go do that now and pause this. Okay, so now that you've counted off and everybody has an article, you're going to take individual silent reading time so that you can take notes on your grid. Okay, so this is intended to let everybody be responsible for their own reading, so whether you have the Afghan reading or the Boat People reading, and prepare your reading and notes so that you can share a little bit later. And it's up to you if you decide to have headphones on while you do this. Go do that now, please, and pause this. Okay, so now that you have done that, when everybody's finished, we're going to get the base groups together to check your work. So all the 1s, all the 2s, all the 3s, all the 4s, you're all going to get together and just go over what you have. Make sure you're all on the same page. Some readings have details that are more important than others in certain parts. So just make sure you have common information and take about 10 minutes so you share your notes, go over what you have, and add any details. So for example, if you were struggling about what the push factors were in the Afghan migration group, then you're going to add some details there. So about 10 minutes, pause here. Okay, and now that everybody's back, the substitute, I'm going to ask you to please mix up the groups so that each new group has at least 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, and 1, 5. And then each of you in the new group, you're responsible for sharing the information with the people who haven't read the article. And those of you that are listening, you're going to have to take notes because you'll need to have this information so that we can compare and contrast all of the information when we come back together Wednesday. Pause. So when everybody's finished, if any of you did not finish what we did on Friday, on Google Classroom, you were supposed to do the simulation of the Syrian refugee and answer 2 electronic questions. Please finish that today. A lot of you were finished with one and not with the other, I saw when I looked online Friday afternoon. So finish that, and then just, you can work on something else. You can relax. I would just ask that you remain calm and be gracious to our substitute who is helping me out in a bind. So thank you to our sub. Thanks to all of you, and I will see you Wednesday. Bless you. Okay, okay, I want to go. Thanks.